Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. And this is a quick video just to fill in gaps between episode 1 and 2 of the Pit Droid, which episode 2 is coming. I'm working on it. Doesn't look like it, but I am. What's happened is I've had a change of job recently and I've moved company, so I need to prepare and get everything ready for that, hence the delay. But in this video, as promised in the first video I did, I'm going to try and print some ABS for the first time, see how the Qidi Plus 4 gets on with it. I know it's not sci-fi related, but we are going to do, there's lots more projects coming out on sci-fi, believe you me. This is the suspect part, as you can see. It's broken off, sorry, there. And it belongs to one of these. So it's time to crack up a pair of these, jump into Frecad, and see what we can do. So here we are in Frecad. I'm not going to do a tutorial on Frecad because I'm still learning myself and I'm not confident enough to teach you or tell you the right thing. But there you go. I managed to get the model obviously done. Frecad is actually really very good and nice UI. You can change the UI to whatever you want. Now, I can tell you how you get this to an STL. So if you select the body, up to File, Export, brings up this. You put the name, which obviously I've already done, of what you want to save it as, where you want to save it as an STL, and click Save, and off it go. Very straightforward. Okay, that's that bit, and now we're going to head over to Orca. So here we are in Orca. Just going to load in the model. There it is. Right, I'm going to print it out of 1.6 layer height just to give it a nice definition. What we're going to change here, nothing there. I'm going to up that to 4. Change it all to 4. Change that to 25 because I want it to be as strong as possible. Mind you, it's only a small unit, so the walls are going to make up most of it. So change that to Droid. Okay, speed. Right. I know ABS likes a slower speed, so I think we'll change all these to a 200 max. Of course, it's all trial and error. So I'll change all them. Support, yes, just for that bit under there. You can see it. That needs supporting in there. The holes might as well, maybe. Come off the build plate because I don't want to change that to, I like tree. The default's fine. That all looks good. Now to change this. Now I have had a look and Sunlu ABS isn't there, so I have made my own. I'll quickly run through those. What I did do was first another layer is at 260. First layer on the bed is at 105. Other layers at 100. Active temperature control at 50 degrees for the chamber. And that's all I changed from the generic. So fingers crossed that's going to work. So we'll slice that. And there it is. It'll take about 13 minutes, not too bad. we'll give it a go. Right, before I send it over, I am going to set up the filament dryer and filament, etc. Bear with. Okay, that's the filament loaded up into the Solvol filament dryer. Set to ABS, running up to the Qidi Plus 4. I'm preheating the bed up to 100 degrees, ready to print. Right, so it started. The first layer's going down. I think it's looking okay. That blob at the beginning's nothing to worry about. That was just the oozing of the nozzle on startup. Yeah, it's all sticking to the bed, which is the important bit. We'll see how it goes. Okay, it is finished and it's cooled down a lot. Well, completely. So hopefully, I'll try and do this one-handed. It's going to come off the bed, nice and easy. Can't hear that. Oh, there it goes. Look at that, straight off. Actually fell off. Let's have a quick look. Doesn't look too bad. I'll do a quick clean up of that. And well, there you go. And there you go. Not bad at all. To say, this is an ideal project to do, just to test what the ABS wood does, because the next project is going to be something a lot bigger, and that's an up and coming video very shortly. So stay tuned. That's good. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Something different. As I say, I'm over this weekend, being bank holiday, we're working on Mister over here. So look forward to getting that one out to you, and some more other projects sci-fi related next time. All right, stay tuned, guys. Thanks very much. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.